Alright, so today I'm going to try one of these, see if it works. Alright, so I did not pull out that last screw. I got to get a 1/2 inch strip nut socket, but I got 9 out of 10 out. Still not good enough. So it's this guy right there. I hope it fits. We're going to hammer it on. We're going to use the lift method. Alright, let's see where that goes. It's going to work. It's not going to work. Whew. All right, it's out. Finally. So, check this out. This actually worked quite well. All right, cool. So, ABN, 1/2 inch, worked pretty good on this BMW bolt. It was probably stuck at 200 pounds of torque. Someone just hammered it on at the garage. So it looks like it worked. The strip bolt nuts with the jack method. It was quite easy. So, all right, we'll see you in the next one.